Okay guys, today nak ajar cara-cara nak buka doorknob ni, to open this doorknob. The first thing, kena tahu kita buka daripada dalam, bukan daripada luar. Okay, first kita identify dekat pintu kita ni, kita ada tempat masuk kunci. We have the where we insert the key. We have this one, and also we have this guy. So first thing, kita cari tempat ni sebelah dalam pintu, dan kita cari tempat ni, dan kita cocok tempat ni dengan screw ataupun anything yang tajam. Kita cocok, and then kita cabut ke tepi. Okay, I will try to put this one, and then kita cabut ke tepi. That's the first step. Okay, tadi saya dah cocok ni ke dalam, dan sekarang untuk cabut. Okay, first, second, lepas dah cabut kita kopek ni. Ada setengah tempat boleh pusing, tapi yang ni just kopek je. Lepas dah kopek, kita buka skru ni. Kita buka skru dua ni. So I will just use this one. And this one. Okay. Settle. Okay, tadi kita dah buka skru dia, kita cabut. This one, cabut skru dia. Cabut semua. Tinggal kunci ni. Macam ni. So sekarang tinggal kita cabut ni ke belakang lah. Cabut the whole thing, yes. Sebab yang dalam ni, dia ada pencangkut ni. So dia kena cangkut dengan sini tadi. So bila kita dah buka skru sebelah belakang, dah tak pegang, dan kita tinggal cabut ni je lah. Dan kita cabut ni keluar. Okay, last step, cabut yang ni. So kita tak nak pakai dia, so kita boleh simpan je lah. Simpan. So the first step, as per the instruction, to insert the pin needle here into the setting hole near the end of the handle and press it inward, which is this hole, small hole. And then the buzzer will ring off two short sounds while the lights 1 and 2 flash alternately, and then it enters the state of inputting the fingerprints. So let's do this. At this time, press the finger so that fingerprint can be input directly. The same fingerprint should be input 3 times. After the first fingerprint successful input, the light will continue to flash and then input the second fingerprint 3 times. Okay, let's do this. So push this one. Here's it with this thing. What is this? This is actually a fingerprint lock which I buy from Shopee, yang saya beli daripada Shopee. Fingerprint lock 100 lebih harga dia. Ini charger dia. Ini tempat masuk pin untuk register fingerprint sini. So I dah register semua. And now kita pasangkan this guy to this. Okay, 3 part, inside, middle, outside. First we put this one here. Make sure you enter correctly. Now you see it does not fit to my door. So what did I do? I need to drill here, drill there, so it will fit it there. So I need to drill here and drill there to fit this one. Okay, we are back I've just finished drill this one to a bigger size using this drill for woods, drill bit for wood. Now I guess this one, yeah, it fits now. Dah muat. Sekarang kita masukkan. We're gonna put this inside and screw it up. Okay, like this. So if you see, we got screw here, and then this hole to put the screw later. So if you see, we got screw here, and then this hole to put the screw later. So we screw them until we cannot screw them anymore. So this one from the inside, so that's why we can swing this. But from the outside, if we do like this on the handle, nothing will happen. The door will not open. So we're gonna try to use the registered fingerprint here. Now open. Yes. If I use my another one fingerprint that I have registered here. Oops. Let's try one more. Okay. Succeed. But if you were to use another 3 fingerprint that I'm not registered to this lock, the door will not open. We'll try using this one. No sound, nothing, cannot open. But from the inside, you can always open the door. Okay, that's all.